data analytics and business intelligence tools. Now, not every business, almost none of the small businesses these days are actually using data analytics and business intelligence, and that's a shame. Every business can benefit from some data analytics in one way or another, and not having the right tool for that is a waste. I'll give you an example. If you are a law firm, you probably want to be able to track not just the efficiency of the lawyers in your firm, but you also want to track the efficiency of the paralegals, for example, especially if you outsource some of that work. And then you can run some numbers at the end of the year to see what type of cases that you take on are the most profitable for you. You might think that it's A, but it's actually B, but you're not going to know that until you actually get those numbers in front of you. We had a couple of clients that started using data analytics and realized that the family law attorneys are bringing money in, but the expenses are way higher than almost any other area of law that they service in that firm. And they were able to do that by using, in this case, Power BI, which is a Microsoft product. And it is great to be able to get those numbers to be able to be more profitable. Same thing with onboarding processes for a new employee, for example, or new clients. When you have a new employee, you go through training, tracking how much time people not just watch the training videos, for example, but also communicate with the rest of the team asking questions. If you cannot track something, you won't be able to, well, what's the phrase? If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So measuring and tracking those times and the data entries, and by zip code or whatever it is, you can conclude a lot of great conclusions at the end of the month or at the end of the quarter and make some intelligent business decisions.